Hello everyone. So day three is finished. I'm up today almost 200, five green trades. So I'm happy about that. I can't complain with this day, and it started out a little bit better. As you know, the last 2 days has been some struggles, starting up with routing issues and a lot of problems. Today, I started up though with my hotkeys or my Steam Deck didn't really function, so I had to disconnect it and put it in again, and then it started. So uh, as you can see now, the last trade that I did, MSAI, is a good one. I should have sized up a little bit better on this. The problem is that I traded a little bit too many of these not too good moves that were early this pre-market. Uh, they started to move and did quite a big swings, but the problem was there was a lot of big swings. So I'm gonna show you as well, but there was a little bit crazy moves this morning. So I took a lot of trades there, which amounted to small profits. And when you do four trades in the pre-market, early pre-market, I'm a little bit overtraded already, and I want to protect that small profits that I have, especially when I've seen these big swings coming all this morning. I'm a little bit cautious. So when MSAI came here at 8 a.m., I didn't size up, which I should have, but I did a very good trade. I went in, very good timing, and I held part of that trade to almost at the top. So it was a good trade. It was just a 50 share trade, and that gave me almost $100. So I almost collected $2 on that trade. So dollar wise, it was a good trade to collect $2 profit in trade is good. So yeah, I'm happy about that. I'm going to show you a little bit about these first moves this morning. Uh, XOS was the one that traded very well on the aftermarket, didn't do as well in pre-market. Here you see CISS. You have two green, and then just retracements. And here you see the swings here at the NCT, big swings. This one was a little bit crazy. But as you can see, what has been functioning now lately is these big swings. Wait for the first green candle, then retracement. Here you see it's even 100% and more retracement. Here is 70% retracement. Most of these dips, second and maybe third candle in a new move, it is worth taking these dips. This one was a little bit too low, to be honest. This a little bit more like a 50% retracement. So here is where I got in. Here I probably thought that it was going to roll over fully. But here, WYHG, perfect level to get in here. I came a little bit later than I tried again, and as you see, totally rolled over down. So the first, I would say, 2-3 candles are what is working out now, especially in the early pre-market. So I need to be a little bit more cautious with this and be a little bit more bold to wait for the first, rush that goes up, and then collect and do um, the first low in the next candle, and take those dips instead. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna try to focus on now. I'm finishing up this third day with almost 200. So a good third day, especially now with how much problems I had the first 2 days with routing and stuff. So I'm happy about this, and hopefully now soon can start size up a little bit and come back again. So let's see. Day four now, Thursday, the fourth. Very important day. First day where we don't have the PDT rule. It is the PDT rule that we've had now since 2001, where day traders need to have a minimum of $25,000 on their account to be able to day trade stocks in the stock market. That has now been abolished, and it's I think, at $2,000 now. So we probably gonna see a lot of more people coming into the stock market, because most people who trade stocks, day trading like this is younger people, and if you need to have a minimum of 25,000 just laying on that account when you could trade with as little as a few $1,000s. So I think this can be very nice. We can see a big change, and maybe a lot of new volume from retail traders coming into the market, and maybe we will see some good movements from that. So hopefully we can hope for that, and it's going to be interesting days ahead. So thank you for joining me, and see you tomorrow. God bless. Bye.